What we're going to do now is we're going to do a clean plate and also a set extension. So here's the footage, and what we're going to do is when we kind of, at this point here, when Nancy's right in midair, we're going to get her to reappear into the scene. I've already done the tracking, so you don't have to, and you don't have to watch me doing it, which is kind of boring. And then you just got to find the keyframe halfway through, so that's cool. Okay, so next stage is we need to, this one is a certain color. So what we need to do now is we need to colorize the bottom footage. So we're going to put in an adjustment layer, and an adjustment layer works because it will colorize all of the ones underneath. And so the first thing we can do is we can go to color correction. Some of these colors here, and we can take like some really nice bright yellows and stuff like that, and we can fiddle around with them and kind of get them, because we want to kind of get the look, and then we want to blend that because we want to kind of make it closer. Color, and we're going to add some curves in, and we want to amp the red a little bit, just to match the footage. And we want to take maybe some of the green out, maybe not too much, and then the blue, we'll play around with that because you can see that the background, and you can play around with those for kind of a while. Right, so that's kind of cool. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to do that transition. So when she comes in, we're going to use our particle burst filter, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to stick it underneath our adjustment layer because we want it to be colorized with that kind of like those desert tones. And I might even just use one here. Because all we want to do is just kind of cover up the map, basically. There we go, and that's kind of the shot finished. Things that you can do is you can add like extra smoke effects, and you can add audio which will improve it and things like that, and I'll put the finished transition between the two shots on Google Classroom, and that's basically about it. And I'll leave all of the components in the team drive so that you all know what you're doing. Okay, that's it.